Hey there, home cooks. Jimmy here, and today I've got a cracker of a recipe for ya sausage and vegetable jambalaya. If you've got some leftover sausages lurking in your fridge, this one's for you. First up, let's round up those ingredients. You'll need 3 leftover sausages sliced, 1 onion diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 2 celery stalks chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 cup of rice, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, a sprinkle of fresh parsley for garnish. All right, let's get cooking. First, heat a large pan over medium heat. Add a splash of oil and toss in your sliced sausages. Let them brown up nicely. Once they're golden, throw in your onion, bell pepper, and celery. Cook these veggies until they're soft and your kitchen smells amazing. Now add your garlic. Stir for about a minute. Don't let it burn. Time for the fun part. Add in your canned tomatoes, chicken stock, rice, and Cajun seasoning. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling away, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for 25 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Give it a taste and season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle some fresh parsley on top for that final touch of freshness. And there you have it, sausage and vegetable jambalaya. It's hearty, it's tasty, and the best part, it's made with leftovers. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking. See you next time.